One thing I will remember about Venice is that it's a pretty smelly city, and that's it.
What's up, everybody? I'm in Venice, Italy right now. I've actually been here for the last 4 days. Unfortunately, when I arrived, I started to lose my voice, so I started vlogging and it just sounded terrible. I sounded like Wheezy from Toy Story. It was like, hey guys, welcome, I'm in Venice. It was so bad, so I had to scrap all of that. Last time I saw you guys, I was in Barcelona, so I just want to step back for a moment and recap on what happened on my last day there. In my last day in Spain, I met up with my two friends, Guille and Guillem, same names. We took about a 2-hour drive out of the city of Barcelona to go to a town called Rupit. And at the end of the day, there was a nice sunset. But you know what they say, all good things must come to an end. This is gonna sound super cheesy, but for me, the hardest thing about traveling is leaving behind the people they made real-life connections with. They're the people that turn those special moments into memories that could last a lifetime. These friendships you make are so real and so true that you never want to leave them. But the one thing is, you never know if you're going to see these people again in your life. Luckily for me, bouncing around all the time, I'm able to see everyone again. I'm able to go around, see them in their own country, meet up in a different country, and share those memories again.
I'm so excited to go up there. She seems to be having a fun time, so I
Just go with her.
up there. Seriously?
Here.
There.
Oh, this feels so nice. I mean, I was born for this.
I'll wait for you. No te caigas.
Honestly, my main reason for coming to Venice is to ride the gondola. I know that it's super touristy, everyone does it, and it's super expensive. Literally 80 to 120 euros, probably some spots that are even more. But it's just something I just want to do. I thought it'd be nice. Take that slow ride on the Grand Canal, see the nice architecture while you're going slowly. It's like what you see in the movies and the book. I just wanted to experience that for myself. It's a lot easier if you have friends because you could split that cost, so I would recommend even just asking people that are interested just around you, just like, hey, do you want to ride the gondola? Split the cost. It's so much easier instead of paying like 80 just for yourself or something.
One thing I will remember about Venice is that it's a pretty smelly city, and that's it.
Oi! That's it. I've taken the Vaporetto now to an island called Murano. It's pretty popular because of its glass blowing, and they have tons of glass shops and demonstrations you could check out. I'm back at my place now. I decided to keep the glass horse he made for me. It only cost 10 euros, so it's not so bad at all. The sun here is going down way too early. So that is today's travel vlog. Subscribe for travel tips and more vlogs like this. I'll see you guys soon. Oi! That's it.